Welcome back to One Day Math. This is part 5. Drill number 1. Multiplying by a fraction. You can say the answer or write the answer before I say it or after I say it. Remember that of means multiply. And multiplying by a fraction is like dividing by a whole number. For example, 1/2 of 4 is 2. Are you ready? 1/2 of 4 is 2. 1/6 of 6 is 1. 1/3 of 12 is 4. 1/5 of 55 is 11. 1/3 of 36 is 12. 1/10 of 60 is 6. 1/4 of 36 is 9. 1/7 of 21 is 3. 1/9 of 54 is 6. 1/11 of 77 is 7. 1/12 of 48 is 4. 1/3 of 27 is 9. 1/7 of 35 is 5. 1/8 of 64 is 8. 1/5 of 60 is 12. 1/7 of 49 is 7. 1/10 of 120 is 12. 1/6 of 54 is 9. 1/8 of 56 is 7. 1/11 of 121 is 11. 1/9 of 81 is 9.